Hello and welcome to the Supervisor Webclock time allocation system tutorial. Um, Once you navigate to the Webclock time and access system login page, you will be required to enter your badge number and password, which you will be issued to with by administration, and choose login. You'll be met with a screen with all listed employees for the company. You will need to, on a daily basis, choose each employee underneath your supervision and allocate what project number they begun working on that day, and also at what time the employee changed projects during the day. For this example, we're going to use Stuart Bate. So we will look for Stuart Bates' employee reference name, and he has also got an employee number. So we will select his name. We are transferred to a alternative screen. Here we need to choose enter job and click on it. You're met with this page. You need to choose this drop down menu and scroll down to the project that the employee began working on that day. I'm going to use project 147126 as or 27 as the example, and you choose enter. You're met with this screen where it shows today's date and the current time. Now you need to change this time to the time that the employee started working for the day. Today Stuart began work at 6. It is important that you always enter 1 minute past the hour that the employee started working. Stuart began working at 6, so we'll enter 6:01, and we have to change the PM to AM and choose submit. That is it for the day. If Stuart did not change from that project for the entire day, if Stuart begins working on an alternative project, let's say for argument's sake at 11:30, then we need to log that he has changed to a different job that day. To do that, you click on enter job again. You choose the alternative job, which I'm going to use 147126 as the example. Choose enter, today's date, you choose the time, so I'm going to say 11:30 AM, choose submit, and that is it. Now, in order to choose a different employee, you need to go here and choose selected employees, and you will revert back to the initial screen where you can go and choose a different employee. I will choose the employee Flybo Engineering. Again, we'll enter what job project he started working on that morning. I will choose project 136773. Enter the date and the time that he began working on that project, which is going to be 06:01 AM, and choose submit. If this employee was to change job during the day, we'll have to again choose enter job, choose the alternative job number, enter, the date is correct, and the time that the employee changed onto this job, which was say 13:24, and submit. To go back to an alternative employee again, you select selected employees. Thereafter, when you are finished, you can log out by choosing the exit door button up here. And that is the conclusion of this tutorial.